Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, as you are aware, Deloitte has announced the hiring for BE BTech, BSc BCA, BBA BCom for 2025 batch pass out. Now, many of you have applied as well. Now the question is when the examination will be conducted, right? Okay. So friends, I will tell you the approximate date when the exam will take place, when you will be getting email for booking the slots. We will try to analyze the previous year Deloitte NLA hiring. Based on that, I will tell you each and everything. Don't worry. I will also tell you the roadmap that how you should prepare, what will be the level of the question which will be asked in examination. So this video is going to be very important. Please don't miss anything. Watch till the end, because I will be also showing you some question, okay, where you will be able to see, right, okay, the level of the exam which will be happening, okay. So that also we are going to cover. So please do like the video, because we really put a lot of effort for all of you. You might be knowing, and please do subscribe to the channel, because we are going to start Deloitte preparation free videos on our YouTube channel. Okay. Now, so let us go back to the last year. Last year, what had happened, friends? So 17th of January 2024, the hiring was out. Okay. So that was Deloitte NLA 3.0, right? So Deloitte NLA 3.0. And this was out on 17th of January 2024. Now, this year, if you'll see, the hiring is basically out on 7th of January, okay, 2025. So there is a difference of just 1 year and 10 days, okay. So yearly wise, if you'll see, it is just 10 days difference. So your examination will be also 10 days here and there, okay. Fine. Now, so you can see engineering hiring applicable for the degrees of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, CS, IT and circuital branches. Same thing which was done last year. Okay. And then on 8th of February 2024. So from 17th of Jan. And friends, also I would like to tell you the last date of form filling. So in many of the colleges, college TPO said, Bhaiya, please apply by 13th of January 2024. So as Deloitte 2025. So as Deloitte has not released, Deloitte has officially not released any last date, but 13th of January, please try to apply before that. It's my request, because I don't want anyone to miss any single opportunity, because we don't know in which company, waiting for your for you, or in which company you will get selected. We really don't know. So any opportunity, please don't miss it. Okay. Now, so please do apply before that only. Now let us go back to the next screen. So 8th of Feb, Deloitte said, Bhaiya, now you can book your slot. Okay. See, it's not like, sir, sir has taken some random screenshots and all, and sir is doing that. No. One thing will always there with Online Study for You, that the genuineness which we have, the trust which we have created. So if you go back and here you will see, so this is, Feb 8 2024 at 6:31 p.m. right? So Deloitte USI Consulting, welcome to the national level assessment, and in this you will be able to find the details. So Deloitte, you will be getting from admin at Hire Pro, okay, and here you can see national level assessment. So you have successfully registered. This platform will enable you to get a step further in the starting an exciting career at Deloitte. Okay, and then there was like slot booking mail was there. Now, so let us go back. I know you guys love so much and you have trust on our channel. Okay, so that I will never ever break. Okay, don't worry about it. Now, so friends, 8th of Feb. Now, if you'll see 17th of January, the notification was out. So 17 plus 14 days. Okay, that side, and here 7 days. Around 20 days, Deloitte sent the mail for the slot booking. So now here if you'll try to see, so this notification is out on 6th or 7th of Feb. Okay, so most probably by this month itself you will be getting the slot booking mail for your exam. Okay, so the exam will not be on the same day, it will be on different dates. So they will ask you to select the dates, suppose 2nd of Feb, okay, 3rd of Feb. So you will have to select the date. So exams will be happening on different dates. Always try to select the dates, not the first date, second date or third date. The reason is you will be getting an idea of the level of the question of that particular year. Okay, so 7th of so 7th of Jan 2025, this notification is out. So by this month end, like you can say 20 days to 27th of January, around that you will be getting the slot booking mail. And after you book your slot, okay, then you can see the exam was started on 12th of February. We had uploaded the video. Right now we had done it private. Okay, so here you can see. So right now we had done it private because we had used the direct questions. Here you can see, right, the direct screenshots and all. So because of this copyright issues and all, so we have made it private. Okay, and that videos will now be put inside the courses. Okay, so here you see 8th of Feb, you saw that slot booking mail was there, and then the exam started on 12th Feb, 13th Feb, 15th, 16th Feb, and another 1 or 2 days were there, right? And see all the dates you see. 8th of Feb, I uploaded the video, that Deloitte NLA big exam update mail. Then Feb 11, Deloitte previous year question we solved. Okay, and then Feb 12, the exam was there. Feb 13, the exam was there. Feb 15th, 16th, exam was there. Okay, so I would like to repeat once again. So 7th of Jan 2025, you had the notification out, and then by 27th of Jan sometime you will be able to get the slot booking mail, and the exams will be scheduled in February around. Okay, and the last date to apply is, as per the college TPOs, it is 13th of January 2025. Okay, now friends, the next thing comes the roadmap to prepare. But before that, these hirings, it is for engineering, it is for BE BTech, it is MCA, it is for BSc BCA, and it is for BBA BCom, that kind of field. Okay, so for BE BTech they will offer you 4 lakhs per annum plus some variable amount. But after seeing this syllabus, okay, because Deloitte is a very good company. Okay, Deloitte is a very good company. If you have got selected in TCS Ninja and Deloitte, I will tell you go with Deloitte. Okay, great. Till here there is no doubt. Now how to prepare? So friends, here only online study for you plays a very important role, because many people are those who will say that we will prepare you. That never happens. Okay, but we will be doing that, and we will prepare you for the examination through the Achievers 2.5 batch. May not be 100% we will cover the syllabus of Deloitte, but around 80 to 90% we will prepare you for the Deloitte examination. One single course for all the examination. So either you prepare for TCS, you prepare for Infosys, you prepare for Wipro, you prepare for any other examination. Most of the exams will be covered in a single Achievers 2.5 batch. And also many of you struggle with ATS based resume. So that also we are providing here. If you'll see ATS resume build plus review, and the classes started just a week back. So friends, please do join. So we will provide you from ATS best resume. See, from resume until your mock interview. Okay, so till then you are getting placed. Even after your placement, we will support you in joining all those things we are doing. Okay, so your ATS based resume, your resume selection will happen. Then we will prepare you for the online test for all MNC placement, quantitative aptitude 0 to hero, reasoning 0 to hero, verbal ability 0 to hero, coding basic to advanced. We will teach you 2 languages, C++, Java. Previous year questions you will get, mock test you will get, right? Mock test with video solution, mock interview with Pratik sir. All those things you will be getting inside this Achievers 2.5 batch. One course, and trust me, you will never regret, because many of the students, they come, sir, I gave Deloitte, I gave TCS, sir, I did not get selected, now what to do? After that you can't do anything. When you miss the opportunity, you can only regret. Okay, nothing else can be done. Okay, so get this course as soon as possible, and live classes are also there, so you can all ask your doubts. See friends, one thing you try to understand, YouTube channel is the best resource to prepare. So free preparation also many of you are doing and you can do. But you tell me, I was just talking to one girl some 2-3 days ago, and she was telling, sir, from 3 different channel I am learning aptitude. Sir, from 2 different channel I am learning this. See, everyone has a different way of attempting the question of aptitude. Okay, so I will teach you, like, don't assume X, assume 100, assume 1 and then solve. Some other teacher will teach you some other method. So, and YouTube has lot of resources. You will get so much confused, and that is the reason students are not getting selected. Okay, see, you only think if YouTube has so much resources, so good content, nobody will buy any course and nobody will be able to sell even a single course, because people realize this after getting rejected from the company. So don't go to that stage. See, we are having live classes. You see, C++ coding classes, where it went, mock interview, okay, coding in Java, verbal ability, aptitude classes, test of aptitude, reasoning classes, the next test of reasoning will be there. So whatever you are studying, you are able to understand or not. So all those things we are doing. Anyway, now, so BE BTech, the link is in description, you can check it out. BE BTech 4 lakhs per annum Deloitte is going to give you. Deloitte is telling 90 minutes I will give you, and then I will ask you to write, the exams will happen on Hire Pro, and then I will ask you to solve 65 questions in that. Okay, in that verbal ability, aptitude and reasoning, and technical skills MCQs will be there. So language, verbal ability, they will ask you 10 question, general aptitude 12 MCQ, technical skills 30 MCQ, and technical skills coding, 1 live coding nugget and 1 live programming questions will be there. You can use C, C++, ISA, Java and Python. Friends, one more thing you remember, keep in mind that for Deloitte, the hiring will not be a mass hiring. If somebody says mass hiring, previous year you check how many students had got selected. Okay, so it's not a mass hiring. So you have to score as much as possible in each and every section, otherwise you are out, you are gone. I'm really sorry. Okay, it's working now. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind, that Deloitte will not be a mass hiring. So you have to score as much as possible. Each and every section you have to do well. So English, aptitude, reasoning, technical MCQs, so computer science, networking, cyber security, cloud computing, all those things will be there. And then friends, duration 90 minutes. So this is for BSc BCA. Here if you will see, so 13 question from English will be there, 14 MCQ from general aptitude, 17 from technical skills, where they will be checking your computer science, data structure, networking, cloud computing, and the section will also evaluate your programming acumen and programming language capabilities in the chosen programming language. And then technical skills, so this section consists of 17 MCQs. Okay, same thing. And then there will be 2 coding will be there for the BSc BCA also, but the level will be little low. Then BBA BCom if we'll talk, then here it will be 90 minutes, 75 questions. Okay, so general aptitude 15 questions will be there, and 30 MCQ in language skills. So this will be evaluate your understand and use English in the workplace. 13 MCQs from English, 15 MCQs from reasoning aptitude, and then again 30 MCQs include 9 comprehension, and then 15 question from finance and accounting skills will be there. 3.25 lakhs per annum for BBA BCom and 3.25 lakhs per annum for BSc BCA. Now the level of the questions will be easy only. So let us try to solve 2 questions where you can avoid like using pen for some of the questions. So ages of Ramesh and Suresh are in the ratio of 6:5 respectively. If the sum of these ages is 33 years, then what is the age of Suresh? Now Ramesh and Suresh, their age ratio is 6:5, and then they're asking what will be the age of Suresh. So yeah, age of Suresh will be in the factor of 5. Okay, age of Suresh will be in the factor of 5. You will assume 5x. So age of Suresh will be multiple of 5. So there is only one option, which is 15 years will be the correct answer. Now sometimes, sir, there was one more option this time, and that was also divisible by 5. Your trick fails. Your trick failed, sir. No, your trick will not fail. Okay. So now suppose this you are taking 20. Suresh age is 20. How many times? 4 times. So Ramesh age will be also 4 times. So this is 24. What will be the total age? Sir, it is 44. What they are telling? The total age is 33 years old. That means option E is wrong. So even though if you have any other option, you will be easily able to eliminate. So in my classes, no, when you attend the classes, that's what I teach you here, how you can think easily and solve this question. These are the questions which, on your fingertip, you will be able to solve, and then you can spend your remaining time in coding, your remaining time in technical skills, remaining time in verbal ability, all those things we are doing it here. That's the reason we tell you, okay? See, the result comes not only, just by making the videos. The result comes when you have a proper way of, a student should understand that each and everything what you are teaching, and they should be also able to implement. Now in a final exam, there are total 10 questions. In how many different ways can you choose 6 questions? So whenever selection will come, no, when there are 10, see, instead of 10 question, if 10 something else is there, 10 chairs are there, 10 pencils are there, 10 pens are there, so you have to choose. That means you have to select. See, whenever arrangement will come, keep in mind, so whenever arrangement will come, arrangement will be permutation, and whenever the selection will come, that time it will be combination. These are the small things I will be also teaching you. Total 10 questions are there. You have to pick 6, 10 to 6. That's all you solve. This you have to use NCR formula. So NCR will be n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now 10 you expand 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, and here 6 factorial will be there. Anyway, 6 factorial down, 4 factorial will be 24. Now 6 and 6 cancelled, 8 3s are and 3 3s are. So the 7 into 3 will be 21, 21 into 10 will be 210. Simple problem expected to solve in 30 seconds. That is more than sufficient. Okay, so this is how you are going to crack Deloitte or any other examination. I hope you like the video. And friends, even the apply link is active now. You can apply. Thank you. Take care. All the very best. We'll meet soon in the preparation videos. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Love you all.